We have already seen what this generation of 3D printers is capable of. Once 3D printers became available for commercial use, the community and users responded incredibly, turning an idea that was pure science fiction into a reality in your own house. Companies like MakerBot, Prusa, and Lulzbot making this dream a reality. The ability to print objects in a three-dimensional space was incredible. Then someone asked the question, what else can we print? So then a car was printed, then a house, and then a 3D printer was printed. The field doesn't stop growing and continues to create more and more amazing ideas and creations. In the next 50 years, however, the ideas are incredible. No more need for pricey car parts, just have them printed out of metal. This idea has been explored by many 3D companies, prototype printers that can print with metal, and printers that can print with cells. Still in experimental phases, there have been 3D printed organs and skeletal structures. The medical benefit of these innovations are incredible. As you may know, there is a huge organ transplant waitlist that has been one of the biggest downfalls of American healthcare. However, with this new technology, the need for a donor almost completely diminishes. The ability to print a new liver, or a heart, or whatever organ is needed can solve this problem. This also brings about new promises for burn victims. Skin grafts can be done by printing their own skin, which has less of a chance of being rejected by the afflicted body. The possibilities are endless and promising with each new technological breakthrough. Soon enough, your next house, car, or high-rise office place may, in fact, be printed.